Chat GPT is an exceptional chat bot, as you likely know. Now if you ask Chat GPT, what are the 5 best ways to make money online? The first way is to sell products or services online. The second way is to start a blog or website. The third way is to invest in stocks or cryptocurrency. The fourth way is to complete online surveys or tasks. And the fifth way is to become an influencer. Now let me save you some time. The best way to make money online is to sell digital products. The profit margin is very high because you only have to create the product once and can sell it over and over again. Plus, creating digital products is free. And as you can see, even ChatGPT tells you that one of the best ways to make money online is to sell digital products such as ebooks or courses. So right now I'm going to show you how we can use ChatGPT to create an ebook. And in just a minute, I'll show you exactly how you can turn your ebook into cash. You just have to create it once, and then you can sell it over and over again to earn passive income.
We teach you to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start to make things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video.
Right now, let me show you how to use ChatGPT to write an amazing ebook in just 7 minutes. Now before we start writing your first ebook, we need to get an idea for it. So what ebook should you create with ChatGPT? Well, first of all, if you want to make money selling ebooks, you have to sell what people want to buy. So you want to find out what the popular categories for non-fiction books are. And to find out, it's very easy, we will just ask ChatGPT. So I'll just type something like this: what are the popular categories for non-fiction books? Even if you don't have any ideas on what kind of ebooks you want to create and sell, you can use ChatGPT to help you do the research. When you ask ChatGPT what the popular categories for non-fiction books are, you want to find out what is popular and in demand so that you can create ebooks to fulfill that demand. You don't want to create a book that nobody wants to buy, that's a waste of time, right? So here, you can see we have all these great ideas, like biography and memoir. Another popular category is business and finance. And there's history, self-help and personal development, and all these other things. If you want to get more ideas, you can just tell ChatGPT to suggest more. For example, you can say, suggest 5 more popular categories. If you feel like these 10 ideas aren't enough, you can tell ChatGPT to continue suggesting more. So now we have new ideas like education and reference, nature and the environment, art and photography, and so on. All of these are great ideas. So in this example, let's say we go with business and finance, which is kind of interesting, but also a very broad category. If we want to get even better ideas for a non-fiction book, we can ask ChatGPT to suggest some subtopics. We don't want to write a general ebook about business and finance, it's too broad and not specific enough, it will be very hard to sell. So let's ask ChatGPT to give us even better ideas. We can write something like this: what are the subtopics for the category business and finance? Then we can wait for ChatGPT to tell us some of the popular subtopics, and this will give us a much better idea for our ebook. So within business and finance, we have things like marketing and sales, economics and financial markets, management and leadership, entrepreneurship and small business, personal finance and investing, real estate, and so on. You can just pick any one that is most interesting to you. For example, let's say we go with entrepreneurship and small business. Now we're ready to write the ebook. First of all, let's get ChatGPT to write us an outline. I'll just write something like this: write an outline for a book on entrepreneurship and small business. ChatGPT will plan out the book for you and give you a table of contents with all the different chapters organized neatly. We'll have an introduction, chapter 1 on the definition and overview of entrepreneurship, and all these other things. Now, what you want to do is copy the outline in ChatGPT for your book and paste it into Google Docs. Right now we already have the complete outline for the book. Now we want ChatGPT to start writing out the ebook for us. We'll start with the first chapter, which will be the definition and overview of entrepreneurship. All we have to do is copy the chapter name and paste it into ChatGPT. Then, when we ask ChatGPT to write the first chapter for our ebook, it will do so, and all you have to do is select it, copy it, go back to Google Docs and paste it in. Right now we have our first chapter for the book. Then we just continue on to the next chapter. So I'll go over to the next chapter name, copy it, and come back here to Chat GPT. I'll tell Chat GPT to write the chapter for this. This will be chapter number 2. Chat GPT will write the chapter for us. Once it's done, just like before, we select it, copy it, and go to Google Docs to paste it in. We just continue this process, get Chat GPT to write out chapter 3, chapter 4, chapter 5, and so on, copying and pasting as we go. In just a few minutes, we'll have our entire ebook written out for us. And by the way, if you feel like a chapter is too short and want Chat GPT to write more, you can just say, please write more. Chat GPT will continue adding more paragraphs to the chapter. In just a few minutes, you can use Chat GPT to create your first ebook. Then all you have to do is go to File, Download, and click on PDF document to download your ebook as a PDF. Now that you've used Chat GPT to create your ebook, you'll want to put it on a platform so you can sell it. There are many platforms you can use for this, and Gumroad.com is just one of them. This platform is available worldwide. With that said, I want you to comment down below and let me know from which country you are watching this video. That way, I can create specific content for your region in my future videos. Now as you can see here, you can use Gumroad to sell an ebook in PDF format or other types of digital products if you want. The good thing about Gumroad is that it's free in the sense that there are no monthly charges. With other platforms, you usually have to pay a lot, like $30, $40, or even $100 just to use their platform. With Gumroad, you don't have to pay any monthly fees. They only charge a 10% fee, but only after you make money, only after you get sales. So Gumroad is pretty good because you can start with no money, and when you make money with Gumroad, they'll charge 10% in fees. For example, if you earn $100 selling your ebook, Gumroad will take away $10 as fees for using their platform. Once your ebook is ready for sale on Gumroad, all you have to do is promote it on social media to get traffic. You can use YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook to get people to go to Gumroad and buy your ebook.
And that's it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.